One dry clove a day. A small ritual that unlocks powerful healing after 50. What if one of the most powerful tools for better health after 50 wasn't a pill, a supplement, or a prescription, but a simple spice already sitting in your kitchen? Chewing just one dry clove activates a rapid biochemical response inside your body. This is not folklore. This is chemistry refined by millions of years of plant evolution. The moment you crush a clove between your teeth, dormant compounds are released and absorbed directly through the tissues of the mouth. This allows them to bypass digestion and enter circulation almost immediately, making the effects both fast and noticeable. At the center of this process is eugenol, the dominant compound in cloves, responsible for nearly 90% of their medicinal activity. Eugenol is not passive. It communicates directly with nerve endings, immune cells, digestive tissues, and inflammatory pathways, making it uniquely valuable for aging bodies. As we age, inflammation rises, digestion slows, circulation weakens, and recovery takes longer. This is exactly where cloves excel. Most people watching this right now are benefiting from this information but never subscribe. Our goal is to build a focused community around natural, science-backed health after 50. If this kind of knowledge matters to you, please like this video and subscribe. It directly supports more deep, research-driven content like this. Now, let's break down what one clove a day can truly do. 10 deep health benefits of chewing cloves. 1. The oral reboot system, eliminating the source of bad breath. Bad breath doesn't start in the stomach. It starts in the mouth. Sulfur-producing bacteria hide on the tongue, gums, and between teeth. Eugenol acts as a broad-spectrum antimicrobial, destroying these bacteria at their root instead of covering them up with fragrance. But the benefit goes much deeper than fresh breath. Regular clove use helps rebalance the oral microbiome, reducing plaque-forming biofilm and calming gum inflammation. For adults over 50, this matters deeply. Poor oral health is directly linked to cardiovascular disease, insulin resistance, and systemic inflammation. By improving oral health, you are indirectly protecting your entire body. 2. Nature's nerve-calming dental support. Long before modern dentistry, clove oil was the standard for pain relief. Eugenol temporarily blocks pain signals by calming exposed nerve endings in the gums and tooth pulp. When a clove is chewed and held near a sensitive area, it delivers localized relief without numbing the entire mouth. This makes cloves especially helpful for tooth sensitivity, gum irritation, mild dental inflammation. It's not a replacement for dental care, but it is an effective, time-tested first response. 3. Metabolic balance assistance, supporting blood sugar control. As we age, insulin sensitivity naturally declines. This leads to blood sugar spikes that accelerate aging, damage blood vessels, and increase inflammation. Clove compounds have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce fasting glucose, slow carbohydrate absorption. When a clove is chewed after meals, it helps smooth the sharp rises and crashes in blood sugar. For people managing prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this provides steady metabolic support alongside diet and lifestyle changes. 4. Digestive activation pathway, from heaviness to ease. Digestion begins in the brain. The strong aroma and taste of clove activate the cephalic phase of digestion, signaling the stomach to produce acid, the pancreas to release enzymes, and the liver and gallbladder to prepare bile. Clove also relaxes smooth muscle tissue in the gut, reducing gas, bloating, and cramping. For people who experience heaviness, reflux, or slow digestion after meals, this single habit can dramatically improve comfort. 5. Mental sharpness enhancer, protecting the aging brain. The brain is one of the most oxidation-sensitive organs in the body. Cloves rank among the highest antioxidant foods on Earth, helping neutralize free radicals that damage neurons and accelerate cognitive decline. In addition, cloves gently improve circulation, ensuring better oxygen and nutrient delivery to brain tissue. Over time, this often results in reduced brain fog, improved concentration, better mental stamina. 6. Inflammatory response regulator, relieving aches naturally. Chronic inflammation is at the root of joint pain, muscle stiffness, and degenerative disease. Eugenol inhibits inflammatory enzymes such as COX-2, the same pathway targeted by many pain medications. The difference is that cloves work gently and cumulatively, without stressing the kidneys or stomach. With consistent use, many people notice reduced morning stiffness, especially in the hands, knees, hips, and lower back. 7. Upper airway defender, protecting throat and lungs. As clove compounds mix with saliva and are swallowed, they coat the throat and upper airway tissues. This creates an antimicrobial barrier that discourages the growth of bacteria and viruses responsible for sore throats and seasonal infections. When used at the first sign of irritation, cloves often reduce severity and duration of symptoms. 8. Liver defense support, strengthening your body's detox engine. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. Every single day, it filters toxins from food, medications, alcohol, environmental chemicals, and even normal metabolic waste. As we age, this detox process becomes slower and less efficient, allowing oxidative stress to build up inside liver cells. Clove compounds help activate the liver's own antioxidant defense systems, particularly glutathione, which is often called the body's master detox molecule. By increasing antioxidant activity, cloves help protect liver cells from long-term damage and reduce the burden placed on this vital organ. Think of this practice as reinforcing your liver's internal armor, helping it stay resilient, efficient, and functional well into older age. 9. Internal skin balance effect, calmer, clearer skin from the inside. Many skin problems don't begin on the surface, they begin internally. Chronic inflammation, poor detoxification, and microbial imbalance often show up externally as acne, redness, uneven tone, or persistent irritation. By calming systemic inflammation and supporting the liver's detox pathways, cloves help create a more balanced internal environment. Over time, this internal stability can translate into fewer breakouts, reduced redness, and healthier-looking skin. This is not cosmetic treatment or topical care. This is internal skin support, addressing the root causes rather than just covering symptoms. 10. Immune system conditioning, building smarter, stronger defenses. A truly strong immune system isn't one that is constantly attacking. It's one that responds with precision. Overreaction leads to chronic inflammation, while underreaction leads to frequent infections. The daily, mild antimicrobial exposure from chewing a clove acts like controlled training for your immune system. It gently challenges immune cells, keeping them alert and responsive without triggering excessive inflammation. Over time, this immune conditioning improves resistance to infections while supporting long-term immune balance, especially important as immune function naturally declines with age. Chewing cloves works best when done with restraint and consistency, not excess. 1 whole clove per day is enough to activate its benefits. The ideal time is either after your largest meal to support digestion and blood sugar balance, or before bedtime to protect oral health and support immune repair during sleep. Chew slowly for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the compounds to fully mix with saliva before swallowing, and for better absorption, a small amount of raw honey may be used. Because cloves are potent, this practice is not suitable for everyone. Those using blood thinners, experiencing stomach ulcers or severe acid reflux, who are pregnant or breastfeeding, or preparing for surgery should consult a healthcare provider. Commit to this habit for 7 days and simply observe how your body responds, noting changes in digestion, breath freshness, energy, mental clarity, and joint comfort. This is not a supplement or a quick fix, but a simple, ancient ritual rooted in nature and increasingly supported by modern science. If this information helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more science-backed natural health strategies, especially created for life after 50. Start tonight. Chew 1 clove, and let your body remind you what it's still capable of doing.